Okay, in this video we will see how to take a piece from one position to another position. So for solving this 2 by 2 cube blindfolded, we are only going to use one formula again and again. So we are not going to need any other formula, only one formula, which is yperm. So yperm is this: r u prime r prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f and r. So what it does is it swaps two corner pieces. So see, this one has gone to this place and this one has gone to this place. So this piece and this piece is swapped. So we are only going to use this formula to solve the complete cube. Okay, before that we are going to see how can we take one piece from one position to another position. So let's say if this is my B position right now. I want to take this B position to P position. So to take a piece from one position to another position, we have to remember one thing, that we cannot move this piece. We cannot do u prime or b prime. We cannot move this piece. We can only move this, and this front side, this right side only we can move. So if I want to bring this B piece to P position, I'll do it like this and this. So it has come to P position. So if we want to bring C position to P position, we'll do it like this. If we want to bring D to P position, we will do it like this, and then this. Again for E, we are not going to move E because it is this piece we are not going to move. This is the first piece. F, to bring F on this position, we will simply do it like this. So F has come on this place. Now if you want to, for G, we can do it like this. We will take it to back like this. So see, this G piece has come to this place. Now we'll do this R and it will come to P position. So we are taking all the pieces to P position because we are going to use only two positions in this piece to solve the cube. One is P and one is A. A will be our starting position, P will be our swap position. So after H, if you want to bring I to P position, we'll do it like this and this. For J, we can take it to back. It has gone to this position now, and then bring it in this right side. So after J, if you want to bring this K piece to this position, P position, then we'll take it to back like this and do R like this. It will come to P position. After K, we'll go to L. L is very easy, just take it on right side like this and it will go to P position. After L, we want to bring M, so we'll do it like this. For N, we will do it like 2 times, it will come to P position. For O, we'll do it like this. P is already there, so if you want to do for Q, this is Q position on the back. So to bring it, we will bring it on top and then do F, it will come on this P position. After Q, will not touch R, we will go to S. So S is this one on the back, this one on the back. So to bring it in front on the right side, we will do it like this. After S, we'll move to T. T is on the back, this piece. So we can simply bring it on the side and to P position like this. After T, we'll go to U. This is U. So to bring U to P position, we'll simply do this. To bring V to this position, P position, we'll take it at this place and then do F prime. It will come to this place. Now to take W to this position, we'll bring it to this place and then again do this, and it will come to P place. After W, the last one is X. It is also the same. Bring it to this position first and then do F prime. It will come to P position. So this is how I can bring all the corner pieces to P position. When we are going to solve the cube, we are going to use this.